Did you know that the Olympics, the biggest sporting event in the world, have been hosted by a variety of countries? It's like a grand global tour. Now get ready to spin the globe and embark on a journey through the host nations of the Olympics. We'll start off with Greece, the birthplace of the Olympics. The modern Olympics, which began in 1896, were first held in Athens, Greece. This country gifted the world with the spirit of sportsmanship and competition. Next, we have France. The City of Love, Paris, has hosted the Olympics twice, in 1900 and again in 1924. Paris will once again welcome the world for the Games in 2024. The United States has been a frequent host of the Olympics. It has welcomed the Games 4 times in various cities: St. Louis in 1904, Los Angeles in 1932 and 1984, and Atlanta in 1996. Moving on, we land in London, United Kingdom. This city holds the record for hosting the Olympics 3 times, in 1908, 1948, and 2012. Our next destination is Germany, which hosted the Games in Berlin in 1936. Then we have Australia, the land down under. Melbourne in 1956 and Sydney in the year 2000 had the honor of hosting the Olympics. Our journey takes us next to Japan. Tokyo, the capital city, has been the host twice, in 1964 and again in 2021. The Olympics have also taken place in the icy landscapes of Russia, in the city of Sochi in 2014, and in the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 2016. Finally, we land in China, the most populous country in the world. The Olympics were hosted in Beijing in 2008 and will return there for the Winter Games in 2022. And that, my friends, is a quick tour of the world through the lens of the Olympic Games. From the ancient city of Athens to the bustling metropolis of Beijing, the spirit of the Olympics has traveled far and wide, uniting people from different cultures and backgrounds on the global stage of sports. So the next time you watch the Olympics, remember the journey it has taken to reach your screen.